So today I want to take you through the next part of the series. Remember, each day I am breaking down a meditation practice, so it's going to be easy to understand and follow when we do get to day 5. And today we're going to be focusing on sensations of breathing, okay? So yesterday we did just a general breath awareness, so just being aware of the fact that we were breathing. And today we're going to be zooming in a little bit more now on the breath. We're going to be looking at the sensations of breathing. So as always, making sure that you have a comfortable position, maybe choosing to sit in an upright posture such as myself, or if you're not able to do that, then it's okay to lie down. But if this is the case for you and you're feeling tired, I would recommend that you keep your eyes open but you just lower your gaze. So settling in then to the practice, and I want you just to gently lower your gaze or close your eyes. Maybe just beginning by taking a long deep breath in and releasing the breath all the way out. And breathing at your normal pace now. So just gathering an awareness around your breath. Not zooming in on any aspects of the breath just for the time being, but just noticing that you are breathing in this very moment. When we focus on the breath, we can treat this as an anchor. So this means that in life we can often spend a lot of our time thinking about the future, the worries or anxieties, concerns. Or we can sometimes spend a lot of our time thinking about the past, thinking about all the things that have happened, things that have caused us pain and suffering. And this takes us away from the very moment that we have, this very present moment, because this is all we have. This is all that's real right now, this very moment. And everything else is either imagined or remembered. So meditation can help us to be more present, and we can bring ourselves into this present moment by using the breath as an anchor to keep us here. So all we're doing is noticing the breath. We're just noticing how it feels to breathe. Just observing the body. We're not changing that breath in any way, just breathing as we normally would. Noticing the quality of the breath and noticing the duration of each breath, maybe. It's absolutely normal for the mind to drift, maybe focusing on lots of other things apart from the breath. This is normal. So if this happens, Just bring your awareness back. And you might have to do this 1,000 times. And this is progress. This means that you are waking up. You're noticing. You're coming back to the present moment. Remember that we're not trying to empty our mind of thoughts. We're not trying to clear the mind completely. We're just trying to be aware of the present moment, and if thoughts come in, which they will, just focus your awareness back on the breath, time and time again. And then zooming in on the breath now, so focusing on sensations as you breathe. I want you just to explore your body now and really start to notice where you can feel those sensations today. For me, as I breathe, I can feel the breath coming in and out of my nostrils. The exchange of warm and cool air. Maybe noticing small movements in your shoulders as you breathe, in your upper back or your lower back. Noticing how the chest moves and the belly swells with the in-breath. There may even be small movements in your fingertips. Small movements in your arms as you breathe. As the body gently rocks. As the body moves. So just explore these sensations and have a see what's there for you today. And all we're doing is just noticing. Just staying with those sensations for a few more moments today. then bringing this meditation practice to a close. So gently opening your eyes if that feels okay to do so at the moment. And then taking a stretch if you need to take a stretch, moving the body in any way that you feel you need to. So what we've just done then is we've just done a breath awareness practice, but this time we zoomed in on those sensations, which is really, really effective when you do a meditation practice, to really notice everything in detail. And every time you come into meditation practice, your experience might be different. So it's always a really good thing to do because it helps you to stay curious, it helps you to become more aware and to deepen your sense of awareness. And remember, the breath really is an anchor to the present moment, which is what we're trying to do. We're trying to be more present. So thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of my Breathe series. Bye guys.